What if we could talk to animals? Imagine the conversations we could have. A curious rabbit asks a little girl about her day, sharing laughter and stories. A dog shares its thoughts about loyalty and friendship with its owner. Under the sea, a dolphin expresses its love for freedom and adventure. An eagle shares its views on life and the importance of seeing the bigger picture. At home, a cat discusses the simple joys of life and relaxation. In the jungle, a tortoise shares ancient tales of wisdom and patience.